Hello students, contents to be covered in this video lecture are given below. First is rank of the matrix, then we cover echelon form, after that system of linear algebraic equations, then augmented matrix AB, then homogeneous equations, non-homogeneous equations, consistency of non-homogeneous equations. Consistent system has two types of solutions. First is unique solution, then we see an infinite number of solutions. After that, inconsistency of non-homogeneous equations, and the system is inconsistent and it has no solution, that we covered in this video. So start with the rank of matrix. The matrix is said to be of rank R if there is at least one minor of the order R which is not equal to 0 and every minor of order R plus 1 is equal to 0. So remember this definition. The rank of matrix A is maximum order of its non-vanishing, means not equal to 0 minor, and it is denoted as row of A or rank of A or simply by small letter r. Okay. The next point is echelon form. The matrix is said to be in echelon form if the first condition, the first non-zero element of any row is 1, which is also called as a leading one. Okay. The second condition, in the column of first non-zero element of every row, remaining all elements down the column are 0. Remember this one. Okay. And the last condition, if there is a row of all zeros, then it is at the bottom of the matrix. Okay. So we see the echelon form. In actual example, we use echelon form to find a rank of the matrix. Okay. So the next point is a system of linear algebraic equations. Consider a system of m linear equations in n unknowns. The unknowns are x1, x2, x3 up to xn. Then the system a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus up to a1n xn is equal to b1. Then a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a2n xn is equal to b2, and so on up to a m1 x1 plus a m2 x2 plus up to a mn xn is equal to bm. Okay, this is a linear system. Remember this. The above system of equation can be written in the matrix form as a matrix A is a11 a12 up to a1n, then a21 a22 up to a2n, and so on up to a m1 a m2 up to a mn into, this is the matrix of unknowns, x1 x2 x3 up to xn is equal to matrix b1 b2 up to bn. This is a column matrix. Okay, that is ax is equal to b. This is our matrix form of the given system of equations. Okay, where matrix A, B and X are given below. Matrix A is matrix of coefficients, matrix B is matrix of constants, and matrix X is matrix of unknowns. Okay, so remember these three matrices. When the matrix Ax is equal to B has a solution, that is a set of values of x1, x2, x3 up to xn satisfies simultaneously all m equations, then the system is said to be consistent, otherwise it is inconsistent. Okay, we will discuss in details in examples. Okay, now the next point is augmented matrix, which is denoted by AB. Okay, if Ax is equal to B is a system of m equations in n unknowns, then matrix written as AB, which is called as an augmented matrix. Okay, and it is given by matrix AB is equal to matrix A, that is a11 a12 up to a1n then A21, A22 up to A2n and up to AM1, AM2 up to AMn, and we just have to add one column of matrix B, that is B1, B2 up to Bn. Okay, so remember this matrix is known as an augmented matrix. Okay, now we see the non-homogeneous system of equations. So for the system of equations Ax is equal to B, if the matrix B is not null or non-zero matrix, then the system Ax is equal to B is known as non-homogeneous system of equations. Now similarly, next point is homogeneous system of equations. So for the system of equations Ax is equal to Z, here Z is a null matrix or zero matrix, then the system Ax is equal to Z is known as a homogeneous system of equations. Okay, so just remember this, we have a system of equations in matrix form as Ax is equal to B. Okay, here B is a non-zero matrix and capital Z is a zero matrix. Okay, if matrix B is non-zero, then the system of equation is non-homogeneous. Okay, and if matrix B is 0, that is matrix Z, which is a null matrix, then the system of equations is a homogeneous system. Okay, so remember this one. Now we see the condition for consistency of non-homogeneous system of equations. Okay, this is most important. So for this we consider a system of m equations in n unknowns, which is given by Ax is equal to B, right? Now here m is equal to total number of equations and n is a total number of unknowns. Okay, now the inconsistent system, if the rank of coefficient matrix A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AB. Okay, remember this, rank of matrix A is equal to rank of matrix AB, then the system Ax is equal to B is said to be consistent, right? In other words, simply we can write row of A is equal to row of AB, that is rank of A equal to rank of AB, then the system is consistent. Okay, and the most important, consistent system has a solution. Okay, so there are two types of solution. So consistent system has either unique solution or an infinite number of solutions, which are given below. System has, or consistent system has a unique solution if rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to n, where n is the total number of unknowns. Clear? Rank of A is equal to rank of AB is equal to total number of unknowns, then the system Ax equal to B has a unique solution, that is only one solution. Clear? And the second one, system is consistent, then it has either unique or infinite number of solutions, and system has an infinite number of solutions if rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is strictly less than n, where again n is the total number of unknowns. Okay, that is rank of A must be equal to rank of AB and it can be less than total number of unknowns, then the system possesses an infinite number of solutions which can be represented parametrically by employing some parameter t. Okay, now we see the inconsistent system. Simply, if rank of A is not equal to rank of AB, then the system is said to be inconsistent, and if system is inconsistent, then it has no solution. Okay, now we see the method to find solution of non-homogeneous system of equations. Okay, so I have given a flow chart here. So first we have to write a given system, non-homogeneous system, in matrix form as Ax equal to B. Next step, we have to find rank of A and rank of AB, right? Now there are two conditions. After finding rank of A and rank of AB, system is consistent only if rank of A is equal to rank of AB, which is equal to suppose R. Okay, and in another side, system is inconsistent if rank of A is not equal to rank of AB, and if system is inconsistent, then it has no solution. This is a one side. In another side, if system is consistent, that is rank of A is equal to rank of AB, okay, then there are two possibilities. Either system has unique solution or have an infinite number of solutions. Okay, so system has unique solution if R is equal to N. Here N is total number of unknowns. Okay, and if R is less than N, then system has infinite number of solutions. Unique solution and infinite number of solution can be find by back substitution. Okay, that we see in the example. Now there is a condition for consistency of homogeneous system of equations. Okay, so homogeneous system Ax equal to Z is always consistent. Remember this, because rank of A is always equal to rank of AZ. Okay, so for homogeneous system Ax equal to Z, again we let M is equal to total number of equations, N is total number of unknowns. If rank of A equal to rank of AZ equal to R, which is equal to N, that is total number of unknowns or total number of variables, then the system possesses a unique solution x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0 up to xn equal to 0. Okay, which is also called as an trivial solution. Clear? If rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is equal to R, which is also equal to total number of variables, then the system or consistent system has a trivial solution, and which is given by x1, x2, x3 up to xn, which are all are 0. Clear? If rank of A equal to rank of AZ, which is equal to R, but if it is less than number of unknowns, then the system has a non-trivial solution. So note that for homogeneous system Ax equal to Z having 3 equations and 3 unknowns, the coefficient matrix A is of order 3 by 3. Then the first note, if determinant of A is not 0, then the system have a trivial solution. Clear? And the second note, if determinant of A equal to 0, then system has a non-trivial solution. Okay, so remember these 2 points, these are the most important. Now we see the example. By considering the rank of relevant matrices examined for consistency the system of equations, we have given 2x minus y minus z equal to 2, then x plus 2y plus z equal to 2, and the last one 4x minus 7y minus 5z is equal to 2, and solve them if found consistent. Okay, so first in solution, first we write the given system of equation, which is given by 2x minus y minus z equal to 2, x plus 2y plus z equal to 2, 4x minus 7y minus 5z is equal to 2. Okay, now we write the given system of equation in matrix form as Ax is equal to B. Okay, that is matrix A is matrix of coefficients 2 minus 1 minus 1, 1 2 1, 4 minus 7 minus 5 into matrix X. Matrix X is matrix of unknowns, that is x by z, this is column matrix, is equal to matrix B, which is 2 2 2. Okay, now here we have to find rank of matrix A, then rank of matrix AB to reducing this given matrix in echelon form. So for this, first we consider augmented matrix AB, okay, which is simply given as matrix A, and we just have to add one column of matrix B. Okay, so this is a matrix which is called as augmented matrix. Now by performing some transformations, we have to convert this matrix to echelon form. Okay, so by performing operation R12, so we just have to interchange row 1 and row 2. Okay, so we get this matrix 1 2 1 2, 2 minus 1 minus 1 2, 4 minus 7 minus 5 2. Right, now we have to make this 2 and 4 as 0. Okay, so by performing the operation R2 minus 2 R1 and R3 minus 4 R1, means we have to use first row only to make these two entries 0. Okay, so if we make operation R2 minus 2 R1 and R3 minus 4 R1, we get the matrix 1 2 1 2 as it is. There is a change in second row, it is 0 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2. Also there is change in third row, 0 minus 15 minus 9 minus 6. Okay, now we perform the operation R3 minus 3 R2, then we have matrix 1 2 1 2, 0 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2, 0 0 0 0. Okay, so here you can observe that total number of rows are 3, right, and total number of 0 rows are 1, right. Therefore rank of A equal to total number of rows, that is 3 minus number of 0 rows, which is 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the rank of matrix A is 2. And also by considering matrix AB, rank of AB is also 3 minus 1, that is total number of rows minus total number of 0 rows, which is also equal to 1. So 3 minus 2 become 2. So rank of A and rank of AB both are equal. So we can write rank of A is equal to rank of AB, right. Therefore the system is consistent, and once the system is consistent, it has either unique solution or an infinite number of solution. But here rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is equal to 2, and which is less than number of variables or number of unknowns, right. Therefore the system possesses an infinite number of solutions as follows. So by R2 we can write minus 5y minus 3z is equal to minus 2. So here if we let z equal to t, parameter t, therefore we get y equal to 2 minus 3t divided by 5. Okay, by R1 we have an equation x plus 2y plus z equal to 2. Now if we put z equal to 2, if we put z is equal to t and y equal to 2 minus 3t by 5, we have value of x, which is calculated here 6 plus t by 5, right. Hence the solution set is x equal to 6 plus t by 5, y is 2 minus 3t by 5, and z is equal to t. As t varies, values of x, y, z changes, right. So the system is consistent and has infinite number of solutions as given in the solution set, right. Now we take one more example. Is the following system of equation consistent? If consistent, then solve it. We have x plus y plus z equal to 6, then x minus y plus 2z equal to 5, and then 3x plus y plus z equal to 8, and the last one is 2x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 7. Now in the solution, first we write the given system of equations. X plus y plus z equal to 6, x minus y plus 2z equal to 5, 3x plus y plus z equal to 8, and 2x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 7. Okay, now we write the given system of equations in matrix form as Ax equal to b. So matrix A is matrix of coefficients 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 1, 2 minus 2 3. Then into matrix of unknowns x y z is equal to matrix B, that is 6 5 8 7. Now we consider augmented matrix AB. Okay, matrix A is given 1 1 1, 1 minus 1 2, 3 1 1, 2 minus 2 3, and adding one column, it is matrix B 6 5 8 7. Now we have to convert this matrix in again row echelon form. So we have to make these three entries 1 3 0, 1 3 2 as 0, right. So by performing the operation R2 minus R1, R3 minus 3 R1, and R4 minus 2 R1. Remember important thing, to make these three entries 0, we have to use R1 only. Okay, we have to use R1 only. Clear? So by performing these operations, we get the matrix AB is 1 1 1 6, then 0 minus 2 1 minus 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 10, 0 minus 4 1 minus 5. By performing the operation R3 minus R2, R4 minus 2 R2, we have 1 1 1 6, 0 minus 2 1 minus 1, 0 0 minus 3 minus 9, 0 0 minus 1 minus 3. Now we have to make this minus 1 entry as a 0. Okay, so by performing the operation R3 minus 3 R4, so we have 1 1 1 6, 0 minus 2 1 minus 1, 0 0 0 0, 0 0 minus 1 minus 3. Okay, now we have to write. So now we can write this 0 row at the bottom of the matrix. Okay, so here we can observe that total number of rows are 4 and 0 rows are 1 only, right? So therefore rank of A equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. Also rank of augmented matrix AB is 4 minus 1 is also equal to 3. So we can say rank of A equal to rank of AB. Therefore the system is consistent. Once the system is consistent, it has either unique solution or infinitely many solutions. But here rank of A equal to rank of AB is equal to 3, which is equal to number of variables or number of unknowns, right? Therefore the system has a unique solution, which is given below. By R4 we can write minus z equal to minus 3, therefore z equal to 3. By R2 we have minus 2y plus z equal to minus 1, therefore 2y is equal to 4. By putting value of z equal to 3, we have 2y is equal to 4, therefore value of y is 2, right? Now we have to put value of z and y in the equation obtained from R1. X plus y plus z equal to 6. By putting value of z equal to 3 and y equal to 2, we have x equal to 6 minus 2 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Therefore value of x is equal to 1. Hence the solution set is x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 3. I hope you got the concept of system of linear equations with consistent system and inconsistent system. So the summary, if the system is consistent, then it has unique solution or infinitely many solution. There is unique solution if rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is equal to number of unknowns, right? And if rank of AB equal to rank of A, which is less than number of unknowns, then system has an infinitely many solution. Clear? Thank you.